Bebeka Chow say Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ebe for me the IMC Interim Management Committee. No matter take in charge of the day-to-day affair of the club. Na say no club no any management any board. This follows after say for on Monday eka say board na juma on beye no omo fancy ha na omo di si ha dia na board na appointing management no so management no become null and void. Enti say Kotoko ni board, Kotoko ni management effectively. Yes, omo ni bibisa omo ye outgoing and outgoing so dey onkoye adwuma. But unfortunately, there is GFA Congress paso Monday. Na amanfo bisa say hwan mo na be kwa represent Kotoko. And na be catch say IMC be form no. Sa nipa mienu yi omo be kwa represent Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Edin na betodwa even though say unofficial from Manhyia, but edin na betodwa approved, confirmed. Omo na edwada omo represent Kumasi Asante Kotoko. GFA Congress no ho. Yes. Na GFA Congress no some of the issues are mpanyifo be kwa kububu ho no the GFA elections. GFA elections pass wafi ye be hwesa ketokraku ye be retain no ana say ye retain no ni nyina ho nsem ha be dey bro sports journalist bi atu coach Kwesi Apiafo say Kotoko adwuma no wode Kotoko adwuma na okofa ye be di watemama wo se jai men kofa Kotoko adwuma no kra sports journalist ben and this ansem we koma coach Kwesi Apia say no coach Kwesi Apia the senior brother enti any kwan say wotena ho ema okofa adwuma we na sports journalist no so opa say Kotoko adwuma obefa na aye ne kruma de wa me de bebro on Super 24 TV no so former Kumasi Asante Kotoko NCC chairman of Ashanti region, your friend Benjamin Owusu Secretary, and as a Benjamin Obey Secretary, or also a plead you Manhyia say a tool for appointment going forward. No, I was say or the far direction be a home somewhere Super 24 TV, made a bro if you have seen me pacho Super 24 TV unsubscribe here. Now what hitting the red subscribe button also no pressing notification also and something just sipe the bro if you have seen. Now for message we as a light for our path for today. Worrying is a misuse of imagination. We are say be how now to now dream it could be your fears and as no and worry. Don't use the time to worry about how. So instead of you to worry about situations, problems, whatever, use that time to pray. But oh worry, you are wasting, you are misusing your imaginations. But what you are saying? So and then message for our light for our path. The echoes will be out. Instead of us to worry about it, let's pray about it. Or control, it will be biaso. And in prayers, and wamaya direct access. Wamaya direct access to ono say mpaibumuno ye betimi na hia na ye nsem bia wo bia na ya kan kire no. So instead of you to worry about situation, problems, what have you use that time to pray about them. Worrying is a misuse of imaginations. Otumfo Nyankopon MINT as a Super 24 TV. Mekacha will say it has become necessary for us to do this because ntiase ehia de bia mesre ntiase manipa say Ghana especially Kumasi radio no so especially sports of one asema bag gidi ni edipanyi atem na obi tifie ono ya ka radios watibi meanwhile asem onimu ntiase no so gina baabi na o ka bi no di atem without necessarily having been informed properly about the whole issue. A hard thing. And yet, into Super 24 TV, made a say asem na ba ye the munchire mu no be bro. Na ye nyina try to have a well-informed opinion about the issues. Utumfo Nyankopon ema nipa bi ante. Now let me zoom in straight into the issues. And remember catch us say Kumasi Asante Kotoko IMC yɛbɛ form na we no akoye IMC a enyo omo na ehye da be take charge aye Kotoko but Kotoko club na ewo ho ewo se nneoma koso na nam se wo se nneoma koso no Monday the GFA Congress 29th Congress na baso ewo the Great Hall Kotoko management na ya amponsa to say oye history untimi nkotena wo say or represent Kotoko because you good board na appointing on it. The 3-year reports or the call. Enti ontimi board nso ntimi nkotena se. Enti de ebeba say I was say mpanyifo etu nipa bi na mo represent Kotoko. Nipa no mienu e na be kwa represent Kotoko. Ohene Brinya the team manager of the club. Now, or a former captain of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Penifua Power. And now, Ono be play the role of a CEO. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, IT manager. A friend of Richard Akuto. Richard Akuto also ever play the role of administrative manager of the club for the time being. Inti omo de be represented Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The 29th GFA Congress ever so the Great Hall. A juade ya asa Congress no ever so. Na ye kasa Congress no wasem so dia. Na ma memfa we enhwimi mam. Congress no ever so. Nsemo bukobobo ho no ebutitiri kese kwa the GFA elections. And the proposal be a my proposing concerning the 3 terms near the now the GFA elections this say nipa baako emphasis nipa mienu and officially omoyumuti the GFA president Kotoko Obesako and the former vice president of Ghana football George Kwesi Afriyie on so unity so Obesako nana ya mponsa entimi beka so obeko because currently nana ya oni club be we affiliated with. Nana amponsa betimi avai for the GFA elections ebeba so afimu a just we affiliated with the club. No one man on the qualification not the call. But currently BB said what is so far George Free any Kotoko and officially omo eyomuti. GFA proposal and say person contested for the GFA elections. Nomination forms over 50,000 Ghana cedis, which is 500 million old Ghana cedis. They all don't know. When you proposals and I propose I likely say GFA football for Mbeko accept na be mrana o matonesa. That's the all. Kumasi Asante Kotoko back to Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Benjamin Obesechre. The former NCC Ashanti region chairman or say utumfo and appointed an executive board chairman for the club. Now executive board chairman and no back club na e dia sumdwe ba. You can say executive board chairman na or the board chairman no appointing a Jumayefo or your board chairman no appointing a Jumayefo mo be run the club day to day. And ya fina ye be fa board na board no members no board chairman no nyo na appointing no both akofanse bebraba o plead to Manhyia ya desrede and na some more can let me say about executive board chairmanship no in the past history Kotoko nyabi in the shape of Dr. KK Sapon akobasa na club ni enya asumdwe powers no ekra the executive board chairman and na wa appointed omo ne omo ye adwuma and na bibia ekoso Benjamin Obensechere nsema odi abetudwe ye nyina ye Kotokofo wa wo hweme minim de wa adwen esi ye fam say no de beboa and I say young go back to the board system na appointed board na board no aform management na obi ye na adwuma na management na report to the board eno no institutions but football there we understand be and football politics too much. And with this, I think the executive board chairman ebeboa me nim the way wa adwen sie comment section obetimi no comment at all. Na me say Super 24 TV yaba no a matured and academic talk sports e dey bro. Nsem ne ba e di munchiremu no ebe bro na ye nyante ase na ya comment na ye nya a well informed opinion because facts are sacred but comments are free. But to comment now man yes a comment you free and just say obeke bibia keke. Make sure you have an informed opinion to make a very good comment. But that was it. Otumfo nyankopon inshira don ton super and good ye wo ye bia so. Me call